Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're taking a close look at a case that's been a personal favourite of mine for my iPhone 14 Pro Max, the Mous Limitless 5.0 in carbon fibre. Mous is well known for combining style with serious protection, and this case does not disappoint, so let's dive right in. First off, let's do a little unboxing. The boxing has a nice logo, it looks sharp. Actually, I'm quite excited to show you this phone case, because after using this for a while now, I think the company has got it spot on with what you want from a phone case. Opening it, you get the premium feeling with the case. You get that extra wrap inside. Following that, you get a card stating the case is fitted with magnets for all the MagSafe accessories. Look at that carbon fibre finish, sleek and professional, and has a real premium feel to it. Mous uses real carbon fibre, not just a pattern, so it's both lightweight and durable. The middle is clothed in a microfibre lining. The green strip is Mous Aero Shock technology to save your phone from drops. You can really feel the sturdiness when it's on, and I've tested it. Not a single scratch or a ding on my phone. This case keeps your phone safe from those everyday drops. Honestly, not only is this a sleek design, the buttons are easy to press. If you've got kids, this case will protect, if you know what I mean. And the Mous logo at the bottom is the finishing touch. Personally, I love this case because it's a balance between function and style. It looks sleek and minimalist, but it's also rugged for enough daily use. I haven't worried once about my phone being unprotected since I put this on. The button responsiveness is also spot on, and all the cutouts are precise. You won't have any issues with accessing the charging ports or the speakers, everything aligns perfectly. This is another thoughtful thing that Mous provided. With the screen on, you've got this little lip around the phone, about 1-2 mil, so when you put your phone down face first, it's still protected. Mous do different colour options, and with me today is an additional option, the white Acetate Limitless 5.0. This is more fancier, stands out more, but still it offers that protectiveness. As you can see, like the last one, it's all wrapped up nicely. It has the aero technology on the sides and microfibre on the inside. And look at that, the light just pops off of it. Now let's just switch the cases. It's easy to pop off. You just got to pry it a little bit and it just comes off. And then putting it on, you feel a little clip. Once you put it on, like the air sucks out. It feels very premium. It's definitely stuck on and that's not coming off. They really know how to make a case at Mous. The button responsiveness, as the last case, is spot on. So to wrap it up, the Mous Limitless 5.0 carbon fibre case gives you solid protection, a premium look and MagSafe compatibility. Whether you're going for the carbon fibre or switching things up with the white acetate insert, this case is a great investment for your iPhone 14 Pro Max. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more product reviews. Let me know in the comments if you're using a Mous case, or if you have any questions. Catch you in the next video. Thanks.